Success! Your FanDuel transfer arrived in Chime. I'll show how to do this in under a minute. Open the FanDuel app and tap your profile icon at the top right. Tap Cashier, then choose Withdraw from the options list. Select Chime from your linked banks or tap Add Bank to link it. Verify your Chime account by entering the requested login or routing and account numbers. Confirm the withdrawal amount, tap Submit, and you'll see a processing confirmation. Switch to the Chime app and watch for the deposit notification or activity update. If the transfer is instant, you'll see the balance update immediately, otherwise allow 1 to 3 business days. To reduce delays, make sure your Chime account is fully verified and linked as a bank transfer. If something goes wrong, take screenshots, then contact FanDuel support and Chime support with transaction details. Quick recap: open FanDuel, choose Withdraw to Chime, confirm details, and monitor Chime for the deposit. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more quick banking and app guides, and drop questions below.